Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn apply frame on profile picture. So guys, if we see on LinkedIn, there are so many people who apply frame on their profile picture. Like if I can show you, as you can see, this person, she applied this frame on her profile picture, and it is to show that I am open to work. If someone is looking for a person related to your profession, and he wants to connect with you, so how will you show I am open to work and I am free to work? This frame will be very helpful for you to show people I am open to work and you can hire me and I am willing for a job. It is the little but very important thing on LinkedIn. Or if you want to hire someone, how will you show you want to hire someone? And if you are owning a company and you want to hire people for your company, how will you show you are for hiring on LinkedIn? Let's apply this type of frames on our profile picture. Let's go to our profile, and here I am going to click on my profile. Here on your profile, you have to click on your profile picture. There are some options, and here you have an option which is frames. This is your original picture, and this option is for job seekers. If you want to work and if you need a job and if you are looking for a job, so you can apply this frame. And if you are owning a company and you need people for your company and you need freelancers and you need workers for your company and you need to hire someone, so then you can apply this hiring frame on your profile picture. So for now, I am looking for a job. I will apply this frame open to work on my profile picture. Let's apply it by clicking this button, and this is job preferences. Save. So guys, your frame has been done. It is now visible on your profile picture, and it's showing that you are looking for a job and you are open to work. So guys, this is how to apply frame on profile picture on LinkedIn. Hope this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.